Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off messages notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Messages. Next, tap on Notifications. And at the top here, tap on Allow Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you switch it off, you will not be able to receive notifications from messages. Otherwise, you can switch it on to receive notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.